one of the other things I'm going to be doing is an amazing kiwi and avocado salsa. So in here, I've already peeled 2 kiwi. We have our avocado ready. And this is a delicious, sweet, and very fruity. So we do have 2 beautiful kiwi here. So what I'm going to do with the kiwi is, and I've just cut the skins off only, and I'm going to quarter it. So 4 slices, as you see, like this. So that 1 kiwi, I cut into 4 slices. We want to get a bite of kiwi and it not to be mushed or smushed. And then we'll cut it into pieces about this size. We're gonna get that into the bowl. So there's the 2 kiwi that went in. For the avocado, I'm running my knife through and I'm making sure I don't pierce the bottom. And then I'm gonna run it crosswise. So then this avocado is all cut for me. And I'm gonna put it in here next to my kiwi into the same bowl. Now I do have a couple of green onions here. I'm gonna dice these up. You could use a regular onion, but regular onion is very strong. And if you're going to use it, dice it small, soak the onion in water before, dry it off, and then put it into your recipe. That takes the powerful bite out of the onion. So there we are. We have about a tablespoon. We're going to put a little bit of salt and pepper. Any type of these recipes do require a little bit of salt and pepper. We're going to put a little bit of olive oil. So I'm going to use a red pickled pepper in this particular one, but I would recommend jalapeno. So we're going to dice this up. So we're gonna put that across the top. So I'll just use a few little dried chilies just before I serve it. The last ingredient I'm gonna put over the top of this, and these are lime juice that are already ready for me. And that's gonna help make sure that it doesn't brown and it stays really nice. And of course, let's go with a nice garnish. But there you have it. Get some kiwi and avocado together in your diet. I promise you, it will be absolutely amazing. So this you can serve on, like, these are a nice Melba toast that we have. They were bought this way. This is delicious to top on top of it. Really good with corn chips, as you like, whatever delicious chip